Good day, everyone. So before we begin our lesson, I want to take a moment to check in with all of you. I know we recently experienced an earthquake, and safety is always our top priority. And I also hope and your family are safe and well. Also, please remember to stay alert. Uh, Emergency kit if naa. Follow safety protocols. If at any point you feel unsafe or there's another tremor or aftershocks, don't hesitate to prioritize your safety first. For now, since we cannot meet face to face, we will continue our learning through our video classes. This way, we can still move forward while keeping everyone safe. So let's support one another. If you need help, academic or personal, please do not hesitate to reach out. So with that, let's begin our session. So for the mathematics in the modern world, our topic for finals is propositional logic. And I think I gave you the activity and you also have studied the resources here in the library. But mas maayo magyud na ano nga patudloan pud mo with uh the basic terms sa propositional logic. So for that, I share first my PowerPoint presentation. So, yun. So loading pa man. Sige lang. So hopefully, di lang siya magka-aberya ato ang klase. So propositional logic, it is a branch of mathematical logic which studies the logical relationships between propositions. So these are statements or sentences or maybe an assertions taken as a whole and connected by a logical connective. So later on, we will discover what are those connectives that we have. So in propositional logic, a statement is represented by a symbol or letter, whose relationship with other statements is defined by a set of symbols. So the statement is described by its truth value, which is either true or false. So we can only say that that is a proposition if the statement can tell us or can answer true or maybe a false statement. So a proposition is a statement taken in its entirety that it is either true or false. For example, all elephants are green. True or false? So we can answer true, we can also answer false. So those are this is a example of a proposition. Another example of proposition is we can say how about 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2 is a proposition because we can answer it as true or false. Another example is the moon is made out of cheese, which is the answer is false because moon is not made of cheese. Close the door is not an example of a proposition. Anything imperative, example, open the door, sit down, that is not a proposition because it doesn't answer anything about true or false. So hopefully makuha ra no. So when we talk about propositions, it can be only answered by true or a false statement. So propositional letters, so it is convention that a proposition is represented by a capital letter. typically bold-faced na letter. So we'll not be very technical with that one. Example, the letter is A. All elephants are green. So the proposition A states that all elephants are green. So we can say that all elephants are green is a proposition because we can say true. We can also say false. So that is the difference between proposition and non-proposition. Si proposition matubag ra siya true o false. But katong non-proposition dili siya matubag kung true o false. Next, we have the truth value. So each of the proposition is assigned a truth value, either true or false. And in computer logic gates, we use 1 as true and 0 as false. So nung naon na to no, basta true kay 1, false kay 0. Next is the connectives. So in propositional logic, the relationships between propositions are represented by connectives. And there are 5 connectives in propositional logic. So these are the 5 connectives. We have the negation, and that's the symbol for negation, and its description is not. Conjugation is caret, more siyang caret, and its description is and. Maybe typically that's the keyword for that one. Disjunction, that's letter V. Symbol is looks like letter V, meaning or. Conditional, in arrow to the right, the description is if and then. If ingani, then ingana. By conditional is that's a line. 2 arrows isika side. Its description is if and only if. So suppose we wanted to say if it rains, Jake won't walk to school. So we would first represent the 2 propositions as a proposition letter. So we have proposition letter A. The first proposition is it rains. The second proposition, Jake won't walk to school. So then we would use the conditional connective to make our statements. We can say that's A is conditional to B or implies to be. A implies to B, or if it rains, then Jake won't walk to school. Another example is we have the truth tables. It is also a way of visualizing the truth values of propositions. Again, the value of true is represented by 1 and the value of false is represented by 0. So for example, we consider these propositions as example. We have proposition A, Marty wears green boots, and letter B, Marty has a dog. Letter C, Marty wears green boots and Marty has a dog. So that's the example na siya. So for example, proposition C takes on the following truth tables. So if Marty doesn't wear green boots and doesn't have a dog, then the proposition C is false. Klaro man po, since A and B kay nag-wear the green boots si Marty. And Marty has a dog po. So proposition C is false. Next, if Marty doesn't wear green boots but has a dog, then proposition C is still false. Kaya ang giingon man diri sa letter C, Marty has green boots and Marty has a dog. For the third proposition, if Marty wears green boots but doesn't have a dog, then proposition C is false. Same ra gyapon. And the last one, if Marty wears green boots and has a dog, then proposition C is true. So later on, we will discover that one. So these are the representation. So as I said earlier, if A is false and B is also false, then C might also be false. If A, the second one, second A pointer, okay. If A is false, then B is false, then letter C should also be false. If A is true and B is false, then false is letter C. But if A and B are true, then C is true. So let's start first with the connectives negation. So when we talk about negation, it is a unary logical connective. What does it mean by unary na connective? It tells us that the operator acts only on one proposition. Unlike sa katong four ka proposition, dapat four ka connectives, dapat duha jud ka proposition ang naa. But with regards to negation, isa lang ka proposition natong gamiton. So for any proposition P, the negation of P, denoted as the negation of P, is proposition implying that P is false, and negation P is also read as not P. So we can read this one as not P. So these are the truth table for negation. If P is true, then not P is false. If P is false, then not P is true. So bali ra niya. Example, the moon is made of green cheese. So what is not P or negation of P? So we can say that the moon is not, at the keyword, look at the keyword, the moon is not made of green cheese. So how about kung baliho na to? How about the example is the moon is not made of green cheese. So what is the not P? So the not P is, tagtangon na nato si not. The moon is made of green cheese. So the keyword for negation is the word not. Example, I am your teacher. So the negation is I am not your teacher. Another example, he loves her. Oh, he doesn't love her. Yan na siyang example. The next connectives is conjunction. So logical conjunction is an associative binary logical connective which evaluates as true only if both of the proposition it relates are true. And the keyword for conjunction is the word and. And. Ano yung truth table? If false si P, false si Q, then P and Q is false. If false si P, true si Q, then P and Q is false. P is true, Q is false, then P and Q is false. So P is true, Q is true, P and Q is true. So when we talk about conjunctions, dapat sila duha ang true para maang statement na himong true. Alright, timanan na to ha. Sila dapat ang true, silang duha dapat ang true para ang statement na himong true. Example, the elephants are green and George wears red boots. So we have this proposition, elephants are green and George wears red boots. Then the above statement is written as A, E is the letter, and G. So this proposition is a conjunction. Asa man tapita may bawa na to ang conjunction siya. Kani on that word and. Conjunction siya because of the word and. Next, we have disjunction. So it is a logical connective which evaluates as true if either of the proposition it relates are true. And the keyword for disjunction is the word or. Ice cream or me. Okay. Dili man siya proposition kay gipapangutana raman ka kung mao na siya. Okay, example, this is the truth table for disjunction. So dapat nalay usa ka buok nga true, then ma-true na ang statement. So if false ang duha, false ang P or Q. If true ang Q, then true ang P or Q. If true si P, then true si P or Q. If true silang duha, then they are true. Ito yung problema na. Example, the elephants are green or George wears red boots. So we can assign propositional letters. So we can assign E as elephants are green and G as George wears red boots. Then the above statement is written as E or G. The key word for disjunction is the word or. Next is conditional. So the logical conditional is equivalent of the expression if A, then B. If naingani ko, then ingana ka. The result is true if it is consistent with that statement. The only inconsistent situation is B is false when A is true. This contradicts the conditional statement. So this is the truth table for conditional. If P is false, then Q is false, then if P then Q is true. Next, if P is false, then Q is true, then the statement is true. If P is true and Q is false, then if P then Q is false, maura ni siya ang false sa conditional. Siya ra ang false sa conditional. Ilan ilain. Kung kanus-an ni true si P, pero false man diha ito, then false siya. So, example for conditional, we have Rebecca. If Rebecca finishes her homework, then she can watch Netflix. Okay. So, the keyword is if and then. So, this is a logical conditional in term niya. Next, biconditional. A biconditional is a connective that represents the condition if and only if. Kung ingana siya, dapat ingana pod ko. Ingana siya biconditional. So this is the true table for biconditional. So kung false mo duha, then the statement is true. If dili mo mag-abot duha, then the statement is false. Kani wa sila nag-abot, so the statement is false. Kani pareha man sila gituohan, which is true, then the statement is true. This for biconditional. Example for biconditional, you will cancel the parade if and only if it rains. So wala gyud parade nga mahimo, wala parade nga may tabo if magulan. So we set up the following proposition. So proposition P is we will cancel the parade, and proposition Q it rains. So then we write because of the keyword if and only if. So we can use logical biconditional. So those are the connectives that we have in summary. This is the truth table in summary. So we have the statement P. We also have the statement Q. For negation, if not P, so balira siya sa P. Tawag na ito, di ba balira sila. Next is for conjunction. So dapat true ang duha. So true ni siya. So true po si P and Q. So disjunction sa or na keyword, dapat nalay true nga usa, then we can say that the proposition is true. And if and then, this is the true table for if and then. Ito ra siya ma-false if true si P, then si Q is false. And for biconditional, dapat pareha sila. If false ang usa, false po ang usa, then the statement is true. False ang usa niya, true ang usa, then the statement is false. And true ang silang duha, then the statement is true. I think that is everything for now. So I will be posting the Google form in the description sa ato ang kani nga video, description nga video. So I think that is everything for now. We'll send another video again. So maybe ma-normal na gani ang mga aftershocks and wala na hopefully wala na yung mga aftershocks. So we can proceed with our face-to-face by this month. Okay, so goodbye and thank you everyone.